Today, practically all banks and credit unions offer online access with bill payment, cash transfers and other services. Every major bank has its own app, too. Some of the online features banks offer are incredibly slick and convenient, such as remote deposit capture, where you can take a picture of an endorsed check with your smartphone and move it to your account. An online bank offers the same types of products and services as a traditional bank, it just doesn't have physical bank branches to visit and bank tellers to interact with. With this lower overhead, online banks typically offer much higher interest rates on deposit accounts than traditional banks. How to open a bank account online. It's a straightforward process to open a bank account online. Here's how you do it. Number 1. Go to the bank's website. There, you'll find a button or link that sends you to an account opening page. Number 2. Make sure you have the necessary documentation handy. You'll need your social security number, a valid form of identification such as a U.S. driver's license or other government-issued ID, a U.S. address for a physical residence, not a P.O. box, and proof that you're a U.S. citizen or resident alien. Number 3. Create an application login. You will need to pick a username. Number 4. Pick the account type. If it's a joint account, you'll need the above documentation for the other account holder as well. Number 5. Fill out the application. How much do you need for your first deposit? Many online banks do not require a minimum account balance, nor will they charge you any fees, even if you keep just $1 in the account. Even if there is no minimum, the bank will often ask you to start with at least $25. How do you get the funds to the bank? But some banks may work with you to remotely deposit a money order via their app. In that case, it's smart to work with a customer service representative or online banker as you go. How can I access my funds once they're in the account? If you're opening a checking account, you can usually write checks just as you would at any other bank. Online banks also have debit cards that you can use at ATMs or to get cash back at retailers. You could also transfer your funds to another bank account you can access. Are online banks safe? Online banks are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, just like brick-and-mortar banks. Are online banks more vulnerable to hacking? An online bank is vulnerable to hacking, just like any other business that operates online. It's important to verify your online bank has robust internet security measures, has its accounts FDIC or NCUA insured, and has never made headlines for careless data mishaps. How do you protect yourself while banking online? Number 1. Avoid phishing scams. If your bank is asking you to reset your online password, be careful. Check the sender's email address and when in doubt, give the bank a call. Number 2. Use biometrics whenever possible. Some mobile banking apps offer biometric authentication, which allows you to confirm your identity using a unique physical trait, such as your voice, thumbprint or facial scan. Number 3. Keep an eye out for alerts. Banks have sophisticated fraud monitoring services. Sign up to receive alerts about unusual activity on your account. Number 4. Protect yourself while banking in public. Always protect your password information and you use your mobile banking app in public places. Treat mobile banking on the go as you would any private phone call. Avoid conducting banking business when you are on public Wi-Fi, especially if the network isn't password protected. Online banking features. Number 1. Ease of opening accounts. Provided you have the necessary documents handy, you should be able to open an online account in minutes. Number 2. Customer service availability. 0 branches should never equal 0 customer service. Check for easy phone access and extensive hours for live chat and call-in help. Having an online banker you can pick is also a bonus. Number 3. 0 fees. The best online banks will scrap fees for monthly service charges and minimum account balances and reimburse ATM fees. Number 4. Ease of making deposits. Taking a front and back picture of a check with your smartphone and depositing it should take no more than 2 minutes. You'll also want nearby ATMs that can accept cash deposits. Number 5. Variety of products. Online banks should give you options beyond checking and savings accounts. See whether the bank offers mortgages, home improvement loans, auto loans, credit cards, and more. And number 6. Peace of mind. There's no point in joining forces with an online bank if you'll always worry about the safety of your money. Remember that all online banks and banking sites are vulnerable to hackers, but some do a better job keeping you abreast of their security measures than others.